Okay, I gotta make my afternoon to-do list. I thought I had some paper over here. I heated up some of the coffee that was left over from this morning. These rainy days, if you're not careful, you'll be taking an afternoon nap. I got this mug from one of the antique stores around here. I've told y'all before, but all of our antique stores, they're kind of like antique and thrift stores combined, so everything in them is not an antique, like this, of course. But I like the size of it, how tall it is and all, but it's not a really, really gigantic mug. And the little bird is cute, although it looks a little bit mad. It's Monday on the mug. Working on the laundry. I need to wash dishes. I still have a few breakfast dishes over there. I need to vacuum. A lot of times I do windows on Mondays or Tuesdays, but I'll wait until maybe tomorrow since it's kind of rainy and wet out there today. This would also be sheet washing day, but I washed some sheets over, I think it was last Thursday and Friday, like after we all, got over the stomach bug, I washed everybody's sheets, so I don't have to do sheet washing today. Oh, but that does remind me, I'm looking for a new spring comforter for my bed. I found one online that I really liked that was only like $40-something. Because I get a king size, even though we don't have a king size bed, we have queen, but I just like for the comforter to go all the way down, so I always get a king comforter. There was a really pretty one at TJ Maxx that I saw, but it was $100, and I was like, okay, we'll look at that one online again. I'll write that over to the side to remember to look at that here in a little bit, because I also have some grow bags added on there, because I can't find my grow bags, y'all. I'm thinking they accidentally got thrown away. How they could have accidentally gotten thrown away, I don't know. Are you laughing? Did y'all throw them away?
No part of it.
Oh, it was Tyler. It was because they were dirty, wasn't it? Dirt goes in them. He said they look messy?
Don't shit, yeah.
Oh, grow bags added to the list. I thought so when I was looking for them the other day and couldn't find them. I was like, I bet somebody threw those away. Some of them were really old though. I've had some of those for a little while, so I was gonna need a couple of new ones anyway. Thankfully, they're not very expensive. You can get like 5 of them for, I already have some added to my cart on Amazon. That's normally where I get them from. 5 10-gallon ones for $20. So I also added some of the raised garden beds. I don't know if this is the ones, these are the ones that y'all are telling me about, but this is just one of them for $30. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. It's just the metal, these right here. And then here are the grow bags. I'll link them down below. Why are you mad? Okay, back to the to-do list. Laundry, dishes, vacuum, fruit prep. I have some strawberries that I need to put into a glass container. I want to make some more smoothie bags. I need to add that to my list. The little smoothie freezer bags that we made where you can just grab it out and it's got all your smoothie ingredients. I want to do that again one day this week. This is turning into a weekly to-do list. Also found some really nifty 80s style sunglasses that I'm thinking about getting. I mean, they're cheap. They're just like these little, I'll show them to you. Those right there. You keeping on the dino shirt today?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I have some fun Easter videos coming up. There was something else that I was gonna do. Clean out the refrigerator. That's what it was. This refrigerator in here. That one in there is good. This one's gotten messy, so I need to clean and organize that real quick. And then we'll cook. We're having the burger bowls for supper, so it won't take long to cook those. Let's get this done. We've only been getting about 2 eggs a day for the past few days, but I think we should have more today since it warmed back up. Well, we had 3, but one of them got busted. I hate when that happens. I thought for sure I would have about 5 today. Maybe tomorrow. At least we got 2. Ladies meeting, right over here, please. We need to talk about egg production. Where are you going? I'd like to have at least 7 a day, okay? Look at these beautiful flowers. I keep these alive all year long. So wonderful. They're fake. That's how I can keep them alive. Isn't that right? Mm-hmm. We're starting the burger bowls now. I've just got some ground beef in there, close to 2 pounds. Over here, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sausage for breakfast in the morning. I'm just gonna make like an overnight Southwest breakfast casserole. But since I'm already cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook the sausage. That way, later on this evening, I'll already have it cooked and all I'll have to do is assemble the casserole. Got some country sausage. We like the hot kind, but you can use mild or whatever, it doesn't matter. I've got the back door open because it's really nice out there now. The sun did come out. It's feeling pretty good out there, a little breeze, so I opened the back door, but it keeps trying to shut back when the wind blows. We've never had this sausage before. What was it called? Crabapple Crossing. I think it's somewhere local, and Ingalls sells it. So for the burger bowls, we're just gonna cook the ground beef like this. Some of it was still just a little frozen. Let me move that to the middle. I defrosted it in the microwave. And then I put out all the toppings. We've got some of the Great Value secret sauce that tastes like Big Mac sauce, Wickles pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, some of the Creole mustard. Jonah really likes that. And then I've got these 2 cheeses out. I probably need to get some more. And I'm gonna chop up this lettuce and slice some tomatoes. I have some hamburger buns too in case any of the kids wanna make just like a loose meat cheeseburger instead of the burger bowl. One of y'all asked if I would show how I drain the ground beef, so this is what I do most of the time. I just get some full and put into a bowl or sometimes a coffee mug, whatever. And then I just drain it like this. I kind of tilt it over to the side. Now bacon drippings we save, of course, right. But
we use those in
if y'all save ground beef drippings, let us know what you use it for.
Yeah.
But we just do it like this, and then it will, you know, solidify in a little while, and you can just take this out of the bowl and throw it away. For the burger bowls, we just have some lettuce on the bottom, then some of the ground beef. We'll put some tomatoes and some cheese. And we're gonna go with the secret sauce on this one. We just drizzle it over the top. It's kind of like a cheeseburger salad or a Big Mac salad.
It's a Big Mac salad is what it is. That stuff tastes just about like Big Mac
Yeah,
sauce.
it does. And that's it. Put some fries or chips on the side.
You got it. Look at that.
Like a Big Mac.
That's really good.
All right, y'all. It's a little bit after 10. I'm gonna go ahead and put this casserole together before I go to bed. These things, I tried to bang these things apart, but they are still wanting to stick together. This is just some of the potatoes O'Brien, potatoes, onions, and peppers. We're just gonna put a layer of these on the bottom. And I'm gonna melt a couple of tablespoons of butter. So we're just gonna drizzle over the melted butter. Now we'll put the sausage that we made earlier on top. Now we'll add some cheese on top. We're using some shredded Colby Jack. Now for this next part, I think I can mix everything in here and then we'll just pour it over. We're gonna pour those in. That's 4 egg whites, and then I'm just gonna add 2 more eggs to that. Whisk those together. Now I'm gonna put some milk in there, about a cup. And we'll put some salt and pepper. Now that's all I'm going to put in there is just salt and pepper. That's it for tonight. We'll just cover it and put it in the refrigerator. We'll bake it in the morning. This tastes really close to a Chick-fil-A breakfast burrito, only in casserole form. It's really good, especially with the salsa.